Hello, welcome to my channel Learn It to Eat. I'm Sandhya. Today I'm going to show you this pattern. Look, this is sleeve with yoke, but here tightness. There is no looseness here. But you have here in this area looseness to move your arms up and down. I'm going to show you how to make this pattern. Therefore, you need your bodies, front and back sleeve basic patterns. If you are going to make with darts, you can use your basic patterns with side darts. But if you are going to make with knit fabric, then you can use your T-shirt basic block. So first I'm going to make front side. And now draw your required neckline. If you want to make neckline round, V-shape, square, whatever you want. But I'm going to use round neckline. First, I make 1 inch from shoulder point here, 1 inch width and 1 inch down. So make nice neckline. After that, from this point, raise your shoulder 1/2 inch at arm side edge. From this edge, you raise 1/2 inch up. Take your basic sleeve pattern, sleeve block. This is front and back. Fold it from midline. Look. And hold this line like this. This is your middle of your sleeve, and draw your sleeve like this. Okay, this is your sleeve. Now I raised already 1/2 inch. Now you are going to make from this point you go up and make like this, little bit curve here. Okay, this is your front sleeve. Now draw your yoke line. I'm going to make from new neckline 3.5 inches down and draw a line to arm side. After that, you can see here, this is your point. You touch your sleeve and your upper part of this body. You bring this one little bit curve like this. Okay, so now I'm going to trace Look, this is your yoke piece with sleeves together. Shoulder, this is center line from sleeve, center sleeve, shoulder, neck, center front, this is underarm, this is hemline. Okay, after you draw that, you are going to cut body piece extra. Now look where I'm going to cut. You cut this line and normal sleeve armhole here and side seam. Okay, okay. This is sleeve, this is center front on fold, so front pieces are finished. I'm going to make now back. This is your back. First, draw your neckline 1 inch wide and 1 inch down. Half inch raise from arm's eye point and take your back basic block, hold like this and trace your basic sleeve block. Now I'm going to cut second part. You cut from here and normal armhole. Before I cut here and here, this is yoke and sleeve, and now I'm going to cut from here and here. I'm going to cut with sewing allowance. I'm going to check side seams. If you are going to sew dart, you first close this dart and check how much you have side seam length. 13, and you have to mark here 13. But if you are not going to sew side dart, then leave it as it is. Just check how much you have side seams, front and back. So I'm going to sew this one. Okay, I'm going to sew, so I'm going to check. Make it a little bit round. I ignore this one. You have back side here, you have front side. This is front. I'm going to show how to sew this one. You can sew this. This is yoke and sleeve part, front, and this one is back. You can sew this separate, front and back separate. You can join here. This is sleeve center, or you can sleeve as a one piece sleeve. It means you fold from this line, or you can cut this and you stick with front side. Front piece unfold, yoke with sleeve, front unfold, back you have to stitch, and this is back piece unfold cut. So this is yoke piece, this is front piece. There is a cut mark, this is center front, and here also cut mark center front. So this is back. First you join these together, you pin it and sew this line. Okay, after that you can see here, this is shoulder. Turn it, sew like a dart. Just like a dart. You can see here, after you sew like a dart, and this one join here, center front and center front together, pin it and pin it, join this together, and after you join center back, join together, armhole, and so sew this side dart also. Okay, and after that make your neck, hemline and side seam. So this is my t-shirt yoke with sleeve. I finished. Look, dot, dot, backside. So that's it for today. I hope you enjoy with my tutorial. Until next time, stay happy and safe. I'm Sandhya. Learn it, do it.